Johnson & Johnson was founded in 1886 by three brothers, Robert Wood Johnson, James Wood Johnson, and Edward Meade Johnson. The company began in New Brunswick, New Jersey, with the mission of creating ready-to-use surgical dressings. The idea was inspired by the increasing need for sterile medical supplies in the rapidly modernizing medical field. The company's first major product was a line of sterile, ready-to-use surgical dressings. At the time, many surgeries were performed under unsanitary conditions, leading to high infection rates. Johnson & Johnson's products played a pivotal role in reducing infections and improving patient outcomes. In 1894, the company expanded its product line by introducing Johnson's Baby Powder. This iconic product marked the beginning of its focus on baby care, a category that would become one of its most recognizable and enduring markets. The product was designed to soothe skin irritation in infants and quickly gained widespread popularity. By the early 20th century, Johnson & Johnson had diversified its offerings. The company introduced dental floss in 1898, and by 1921, it launched Band-Aid brand adhesive bandages, invented by employee Earl Dixon. Band-Aid became an essential item in homes worldwide, further solidifying the company's reputation. During the 1930s and 1940s, Johnson & Johnson expanded globally. It established operations in countries across Europe, Latin America, and Asia. This period also saw the introduction of consumer health products such as sanitary napkins and additional baby care items, which strengthened its position in the market. In the 1950s and 1960s, Johnson & Johnson made significant strides in medical advancements. It developed the first mass-produced sterile sutures and introduced groundbreaking pharmaceutical products. The company also acquired several smaller firms to expand its product portfolio in pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer goods. One of the company's major milestones came in 1982 with the Tylenol crisis. After tampered capsules caused several deaths, Johnson & Johnson responded by recalling 31 million bottles and introducing tamper-resistant packaging. This crisis management became a textbook example of corporate responsibility and transparency. In the late 20th century, Johnson & Johnson continued its growth by investing in research and development. The company introduced innovative products in fields like orthopedics, wound care, and biotechnology. It also acquired companies like Neutrogena, Janssen Pharmaceuticals, and Depuis, expanding its footprint in various industries. By the early 2000s, Johnson & Johnson had become a global healthcare giant with operations in over 175 countries. The company's product portfolio spanned pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products. Its brands, including Tylenol, Listerine, and Aveeno, were household names worldwide. The company has been a leader in addressing global health challenges. For example, it played a vital role in developing treatments for HIV, AIDS, and tuberculosis and contributed significantly to maternal and child health initiatives in underserved regions. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Johnson & Johnson developed a single-dose vaccine, which became an essential tool in the global effort to combat the virus. This demonstrated the company's continued commitment to innovation and public health. Today, Johnson & Johnson is one of the largest and most respected healthcare companies in the world. Its focus on innovation, quality, and social responsibility has enabled it to remain a leader in the industry, improving lives through groundbreaking products and solutions.